Let's solve a trigonometry problem involving a right triangle. We need to find the sine and cosine values for angles A and C. Let's start by drawing our right triangle ABC. We're given that AB is 24 centimeters and BC is 7 centimeters, and we know it's right-angled at B. First, let's find the length of AC, the hypotenuse, using the Pythagorean theorem. We know that AC squared equals AB squared plus BC squared. So that's 24 squared plus 7 squared. 24 squared is 576, and 7 squared is 49. Adding these gives us 625. Taking the square root, we get that AC equals 25 centimeters. Now, let's find sine A and cosine A. For angle A, the opposite side is BC, which is 7 centimeters, and the hypotenuse is AC, which is 25 centimeters. So sine equals 7 over 25. For cosine A, we use the adjacent side AB, which is 24 centimeters, over the hypotenuse of 25 centimeters. For angle C, let's find sine C and cosine C. For sine C, the opposite side is now AB, which is 24 centimeters, and the hypotenuse is still AC at 25 centimeters. So sine C equals 24 over 25. And for cosine C, we use the adjacent side BC, which is 7 centimeters, over the hypotenuse of 25 centimeters. Let's summarize our results. We found that sine equals 7 over 25, cosine A equals 24 over 25, sine C equals 24 over 25, and cosine C equals 7 over 25. Notice that sine A equals cosine C, and cosine A equals sine C. This is because angles A and